Hey, good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a PG English Cook TV. Now, good morning, my beautiful people. Today, I want to continue with my lime challenge, lime and baking soda challenge. I don't already put on. Once you put the baking powder inside lime, it will come the form like this. So I want to continue with this one on the baking powder, bicarbonato baking powder. So let us scrub again today, like we did yesterday. We do the same thing yesterday, do scrubbing. On sait assez beaucoup. Now I go wash up. 5 minutes I might see the results. You see as my body fine, my whole packed up fine. Because although if I fine before sha, you understand, it's not bath. So if I fine before sha, but I come re-enhance. I use this slime and this thing. They do scrub yesterday, all my neck, all my body. So see, now the result be this. Make I go wash am. Make we see as it go be. Make we see as it go be. You don't bath. You don't bath. You don't bath. Never bath. Okay. Go bath. The result. Wait till this thing take good. The result now. Chan as they do and I say they give you the results. Small. So this thing now be our goal. We want clean this thing, because if I not use makeup, you know they match the rest of my face. See the rest of my face. I know they bleach. I be brown skin girl. So now this place I want make clean. Come on, make it for merge join the rest of my face. Don't bath. You don't bath. Now question. You don't bath, you don't bath, you don't bath. Okay, you see this one, see. Now I go bath, because I need to go to some place early today. So therefore, chan, more for this your nose. More for this your African nose. Okay, I don't rock put. Okay. I throw the lime. I go arrange myself back. I need to get to somewhere with my bicycle on time. I like nature well. I like to use my bicycle to go anywhere I want to go at times. Since I have my bicycle self, I know they like to carry bus again, carry anything again. Bicycle too nice to use. Bicycle too nice. I know say African people dey commonize bicycle like say na poverty who get bicycle na e poor. Na lie o. For obodo oyibo here, who get bicycle na rich man. Na way to move, to enjoy yourself, to feel free. Bicycle good well to use. It give you confidence. Okay, when I really start to use bicycle, I don't believe say I'll feel ride bicycle for my life. I get fear a lot, but it give me confidence for a lot of things for my life today. So I recommend that for now. Ride bicycle for Africa. If you get space, you get good road, ride your bicycle. Too sweet. So make I go bath, make I ready. I love all of una. Now the Pidgin English Cook TV, nobody else. Now the babe Pidgin English Cook TV. Now here for the yarn, now here for the cook, now here for the chopper. I love all of una. Bye bye. Bye bye. Beautiful ones. Bye. Hey guys. Now the result of the washing and the cleaning off of the baking soda and the lime come off my face be this. And the result be this. I wanna see am. Small. We'll clean come out. This 2 weeks challenge is a go. It's a go. I must do one. Bye bye everyone. I go work.